Hi, and welcome to the Taubman College of Architecture and Urban Planning. My name is Taubman. I'm an undergraduate student here at Taubman studying architecture.
Hi, my name is Joshua Powell. I'm a grad student here studying architecture and urban planning as a dual degree.
We have multiple disciplines offered here at Taubman. For example, we have architecture, urban planning, urban design, and urban technology. We're in the commons space right now, so let's check it out.
Yeah, well, welcome to the Commons. This space is used a lot by students for any number of things, including studying, learning informally with one another, and in some cases, attending events and things that are held here. Tala, I wanted to know, why do you enjoy the space so much?
I love working in this space. I think the natural lighting here is great. It helps me focus. So, what's your favorite part about being a grad student here?
So my favorite part about being a grad student here, it really just comes down to all of the resources that we have here at Taubman College, including working in collaborative studio sections, as well as like the Fab Lab, and also the number of lounges and things that we have in order to be able to work in these collaborative spaces and to really learn from one another.
That's awesome.
Thanks.
So now I'm here with Josh in our studio space. We have 30,000 square feet of studio space. We're the largest academic studio of any program in the world. Josh, tell me more about the space.
All right, well, welcome to studio. And this space is so special because each student gets their own modular desk. And so at these desks, you can do any number of things from casting with rockite to creating your own models to even create your own drawings here.
That's awesome. You get that when you're a junior. I'm a sophomore, I can't wait.
Yes.
So what's your favorite part about the space?
So my favorite part is the fact that all students in studio get to participate in what's called studio sections. And so in these sections, there is typically a 12 student to 1 instructor ratio. And so therefore all students get as much attention from the teacher as they need. In addition to the fact that once again, students can do all number of projects and also work collaboratively in the studio space to even design collaborative projects that all relate to one another.
So I'm here at Taubman's Fabrication and Robotics Lab, also known as the Fab Lab, one of the premier academic facilities of its own kind in the world. I see Josh working on something cool, so let's find out what he's doing. Hi Josh.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm doing well.
So what are you working on?
So I'm working on 3D printing with the KUKA robot arm.
Can you talk more about it?
Yeah, so what I'm essentially doing is I'm using a computer-generated algorithm in what's called Rhino 3D, which is a design program used by architects to actually create different designs utilizing this robot arm here.
That's awesome. What other technologies and machines are available for us to use?
So in addition to the KUKA robot arm used for 3D printing, there's also different robot arms that are used for carrying heavy materials. They can be used for welding, or they can also be used for wood fabrication.
So do all students get access to this space?
Yes. So you have to be an architecture student to have access to this space. But if you are, then you can use any number of things in here, including the Zune knife cutter, which is a godsend for students who need to create models. There's also 3D printers, in addition to a multi-axis router that enables students to use the Z, X, and Y axis in order to create model bases and things.
Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
I am Ishan, and welcome to Taubman College's TV lab. This is an XR lab that explores different forms of visualization technology in the architectural realm. And this is Holly.
Hi guys, my name is Holly. I'm one of the research assistant at TV Lab. I'm also one of the Master of Architecture 3G student at Taubman College.
And so Holly, what's going on over here?
Oh, right here, they are working on a collaboration project between major architecture school and nursing school. And they are trying to improve the healthcare spaces.
So what else besides this equipment do we have at the lab?
We basically have everything related to XR technology. For example, virtual reality headset and augmented reality 3D scanning devices. Also, we have a robotic machine on the backside.
And what's your favorite way of using this lab?
Yeah, for me, I like the flexibility we can use in the space. For example, I can have a lot of workshop and chances to work with the student from different major.
Yeah.
So what about you?
I mean, what I really like about this lab is that we're getting architecture students ready for the professional world, which is transforming with XR, and a lot of XR positions are opening up in the architecture field. So It's really great to have students to be at that level.
Yeah, we are excited to see you guys here.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining us.